Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn off quiet mode on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, quiet mode is a mode which you can enable on Instagram, which will basically prevent Instagram from sending you notifications and distracting you while you're working or sleeping or doing whatever it is that you're doing. Now, you can turn it on or off very easily through the settings on your account. So let me just do it really quickly. What you first want to do is click on your profile icon in the bottom right, then go straight into notifications. And as you can see, you already see the quiet mode option, which is the third from the top. And as you can see, if I go in, you have some of these options. You have the option to turn it on or off. You can also set the start time and the end time so that you can select a period or a window of time during which you won't have any notifications. You can also choose the days. As you can see, whichever days are blue are selected, whichever days are gray are not selected, and you can set it up however you want. Now, to actually cancel it or turn it off, you just click on the slider near quiet mode. You can skip it for one day or for one cycle, or you can just turn it off entirely. To turn it off, just press the bottom button and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.